Your bathroom just became mobile. This is the Xiaoban, an AI-powered robotic toilet that navigates your house and comes directly to you. It costs roughly $4,000, or 28,999 yuan. When it first appeared online, the reaction was immediate skepticism, with most commenters joking that this was the ultimate accessory for lazy gamers. But the device addresses a massive architectural limitation. For centuries, indoor plumbing has been a static infrastructure. The pipes are fixed in the walls, which forces the human to travel to the bathroom, regardless of their physical health. For the elderly or disabled, that short walk is often a major obstacle. It involves significant fall risks, physical pain, and the loss of privacy that comes with relying on a caregiver for every trip to the bathroom. The Xiaoban fully flips this engineering paradigm. By making the toilet autonomous, it moves the plumbing to the person, shifting the burden of movement from the vulnerable human body to the machine. Engineering a heavy, mobile toilet for a home environment presents a major challenge. It must autonomously navigate through unpredictable household clutter without crashing, and then establish a perfectly stable platform during actual use. The Xiaoban uses a navigation logic similar to high-end robotic vacuum cleaners. It employs a suite of LiDAR and ultrasonic sensors to map rooms in real time. This allows the robot to dynamically steer around furniture, pets, and doorways, while using level detectors to ensure it never falls down a flight of stairs. Once the robot reaches the user, it switches from mobility to stability. It locks its wheels, utilizing a wide chassis and integrated armrests to provide a secure platform, reducing the risk of a fall during the physical transfer from a bed or chair. These navigational and structural features transform a simple commode into a mobile safety station that actively manages the risks of a household environment. The second engineering hurdle is managing biological waste and odor inside a bedroom. Since many users lack the mobility to clean themselves, the robot provides an automated warm water bidet wash and a hot air drying cycle immediately after use. To prevent odors, it deploys protective foam, a hermetic seal, and charcoal filters. For disposal, the robot docks to the home's plumbing. A grinder liquefies waste for safe flushing. Finally, it executes a pressurized wash and UV sanitization, then refills and recharges. By automating the entire cycle, from bidet use to final disposal, the machine creates a sanitation loop requiring zero daily maintenance and eliminating caregiver exposure to biohazards. This technology restores bodily privacy and daily independence. It also provides significant relief for caregivers, automating the most physically demanding and emotionally sensitive part of home care. The push for this innovation is driven by a massive demographic shift. China currently has more than 300 million people over the age of 60. This silver economy is forcing a pivot in the robotics industry. Companies are now adapting the AI used in industrial factories to create personal solutions for an aging population that lacks enough human caregivers. While the public often imagines the future of AI as humanoid assistants or self-driving cars, its most essential application may be the machines that preserve our fundamental human dignity.